Jack, you won the Dodge Charger West Coast Customs Edition, brought to you by WorldStar, my G.
That's crazy though. I said to that Joe a while ago, man, like, he says needle in the haystack.
I want to say there was about 50,000 entries in regard, like, and you bought one shirt.
One shirt, it's not real.
No, but you bought the Queensbridge shirt, and Joe will tell you, that means a lot to like WorldStar. I'm gonna let you chop it up with Joe for a little bit. I'm gonna set up the West Coast Customs team, and then have Ryan say what's up. And then I'm gonna have Joe walk through the car with you with Musa, the designer, and then we'll be golden.
We got Ryan from West Coast. Oh my God! I see that all the time. That dude.
You have any ideas or color choices or anything you want us to do different to this car?
You know, the car gonna be from California.
Right.
I mean, you know, growing up, watch Kobe Bryant. I want to be purple and a gold.
Yeah, so we'll do some accents, purple and gold then. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen.
Let's go down. That hits, man. That's good.
That's a mean looking car right there.
Come on, man. I know what I'm doing.
Oh, I like the purple side view mirrors.
Ooh, that purple hit.
Yeah.
And it will match the emblem, the WorldStar logo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the body will have that matte satin vibe, and then the lip on the front spoiler and everything will have a little bit of gloss to it. That pops. We're gonna finalize this render. We're gonna send it to you in the email with Joe and Danny, and you know, you just give us the thumbs up, and then once you give us the thumbs up, we'll start building it out. And you know, we'll get Joe and the boys out here looking at it, giving you updates. Then we'll go from there on getting you out here to pick it up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me know. Yes, sir.
There it is. You hyped, Jack?
I'm hyped up. I'm pumped up,
Are you
bro.
hyped up?
Thank you, man. I really appreciate that.
Give it up to Musa right here. Musa designed it. So.
Thank you, y'all. Thank you, Moose. Appreciate you, Moose.
Yes, sir.
Ok, vamos a pintar este carro que va a ser para un fanático de los Lakers. Le vamos a dar un toque con unos acentos morados, que va a ser los calipers, los espejos y un color oro para los rines y parte del body kit. El otro parte del body kit va a ser negro, body color.
That one is closer. Yeah, okay. Let's do that one. Bright violet metallic, 97226.
I'm Richard from MagnaFlow Exhaust, and I'm here, of course, to add some sound to this project that Ryan has. We've got a charger here. It's got a ton of West Coast style, and now we're here to add that MagnaFlow sound. With everything laid out on the ground, we know where we're going, but now we have to pull out what's under the car. And what's under the car is a little different. Basically, the passenger side and the front are all one piece with only one brake. So what we're gonna do is pull apart the one small part, work from the back to the front, remove everything, and start putting the system back in. One of the things you do have to do is transfer all of the hanging mounts. These are all reusable from factory. Only one piece of advice is make sure you use some kind of lubricant to pull them off, so otherwise you can damage them. But don't put too much on there too, because you don't want to have them grease and dripping and falling off when you get everything set aside. Because Ryan's going to be putting on one of the West Coast Customs diffusers from the body kit on the back, I pulled it out a little farther, but that's definitely one of the advantages of this system is you can put it up flush or pull it out if you like to see the tips a little bit more.
A new set of coils from Maybach, and now these coils are gonna have 2 inches drop in the car.
What's going on? What's up? Bro, so listen. Now, I know you wanted your car a certain color and a certain way, but I kind of went away and I kind of did my own thing with it. So I hope you're happy. Wait, your face looks like you don't trust me. Do you not trust me?
Bro, what's God? Do I not trust you, bro? What's God?
Are you ready?
All right.
All right.
I'm ready to go.
We're about to give you your first virtual reveal.
Woo, baby.
Okay. Okay. The rim though.
With the purple calipers, bro.
Yes, sir.
And I added a little extra. There's an extra surprise.
Look what he did to the seats.
Oh my God, dude.
Leather purple diamond stitch, brother.
Luxury.
Luxury, baby. All right, I'm gonna kick it to the back. They put on the Magna Flow exhaust, and look at this look at this at the bottom. West Coast Customs. And then right here, WorldStar. Are you happy, brother?
Oh yeah, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy, bro.
Congratulations from us, from WorldStar.
From me, thank you, Jack. Thank you.
Congratulations, bro. Hey, look, I'm gonna contact you so we get the address for shipping, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, but hey, you earned it. Congratulations. This car is yours.
Thank you.
It's official. I gotta hand you the keys. Virtually, this is your key.
All right, brother. Take care, man. We're happy for you. All right, peace.